For years, humanity has pondered the possibility of life found on planets other than our very own. For so very long, we have believed that we are the only beings that have the gift of life on our own planet. However, according to Live Science of April 17th, 2025, it has been found that there is evidence of life on a planet called K2-18b. For today, I am going to be discussing the subject of life found the subject of life on that planet. For I will of course be discussing on what exactly they have found to be evidence supporting life, and what life exactly scientists have hoped to be expecting, as well as what exactly this means to our very own society, or at least to the science community. According to NASA of September 11th, 2023, the planet's atmosphere is filled with a gas called carbon dioxide, which is found on our very own planet's atmosphere. So that is probably a very good indicator that there is life, that there could be life. For if a planet's own atmosphere is similar to our very own, then that should be an indicator in of itself that there is at least some kind of organism on that planet. And according to BBC of April 17th, 2025, the planet is filled to the brim with a watery surface. And where there is water, a person can also find life. For remember, to find life is to find water. For life cannot exist without water, whether that be intelligent life or a regular organism such as an animal. According to Earth.com of May 5th, 2025, the life that scientists suspect is a microscopic organism that, while may not seem superior life, it's still life on another planet, which would be a very big discovery if their hypothesis were to be found out true. Now, many people are wondering what exactly is the difference between intelligent life and non-intelligent life. Intelligent life is what people expect or what they're expecting on another planet. Intelligent life is just like humans. Well, sort of. They are on the same intelligence, such as they know how to talk, and they know how to speak, and they know how to read. A lot of things that a being such as that can do as is the same as a human. Non-intelligent life would be more resembling to that of the microscopic organisms that I was discussing before. That would be similar, such as, for example, a water bear or any kind of animal such as a dog or a cat. The planet is located about 124 light years away. Scientists have been discussing using a type of drone to be sent out to the planet and capture and capture samples of the life that they hypothesize is on that planet, or at least some kind of sample of the planet itself. They hope that if they bring it back, then that would mean that their hypothesis will be correct, and that will be a major breakthrough for the community of everyone who believes in extraterrestrial life. Today it has been discussed on the subject of life on a planet other than our very own. It has been discussed the subject of what exactly have scientists found, and what life exactly they expect on K2-18b. It has been found, and it has been discussed of sending technology to retrieve that sample. If scientists come back successful, then if their hypothesis has been found to be successful, then that means that there can be a doorway leading to the endless possibility of life on so many other planets. Maybe even someday we can hope to find intelligent life.